Imagine a laptop that's wicked fast, lasts days on a single charge, and runs AI without Wi-Fi. Dell just made it real. Today, they unleashed their AI PC lineup in the US, and the Copilot Plus models are blowing up, especially the XPS 13. Want to know why retailers can't keep up? Stick around because Dell's rewriting the PC game. What's up, Tech Squad? Welcome back to GadInsider. Dell dropped a bombshell this afternoon, a beefed-up AI PC lineup hitting the US with Copilot Plus models powered by Snapdragon X processors. Sources say retailers are clamoring for the XPS 13, and it's trending hard for its offline AI smarts and killer looks. Let's dive into why these laptops are the talk of the town. So what's the deal with Dell's AI PCs? These Copilot Plus models, think XPS 13, Inspiron 14, and Inspiron 14 Plus, are packing Qualcomm's Snapdragon X Elite and X Plus chips. The XPS 13 is the star, starting at $1,299, with a neural processing unit pumping out 45 teraflops for on-device AI. That means you can edit photos, summarize docs, or even generate art offline. No cloud needed. It's also Dell's thinnest XPS ever at 2.6 pounds with 13.4-inch OLED option and up to 27 hours of battery life for streaming. The Inspiron 14 Plus and Ice Blue rocks up to 15 hours and a sustainable aluminum build. These aren't just laptops, they're AI sidekicks that keep you productive anywhere. Why is everyone obsessed? Reports say retailers can't stock the XPS 13 fast enough. It's flying off shelves thanks to its sleek CNC machined aluminum design and next-gen performance. Snapdragon X chips are stealing the show with insane efficiency. One review clocked the XPS 13 at 19 hours of real-world use. Copilot Plus brings exclusive AI tricks like recall to search your PC's history or live captions for instant translations, all running locally for speed and privacy. Posts on social media are hyping the futuristic vibe, and with Wi-Fi 7 and optional 5G, these PCs are ready for 2025's demands. Dell is proving AI isn't just hype, it's here to make life easier. Alright, let's get you in on this. Picture snagging an XPS 13. What's your move? Cranking out AI-edited blocks on the go? Gaming with zero lag? Or maybe just flexing that multi-day battery life? Drop your dream AI PC moment in the comments.